Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. This is Shantae with the Glam Kitchen, and I am back with a new recipe. Now we are making top tier southern green beans with smoked turkey. So let's get into it. All ingredients and the full recipe is available at the link in the description box. We are starting with a pack of smoked turkey wings. You can find these in your local grocer. Boil your smoked turkey for 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours, because we want them nice and tender. Once the 2 hours are up, you want to go ahead and take the turkey wings out of the pot. And you want to set aside 4 cups of the broth. Again, don't forget to put your broth aside. It's going to be 4 cups, okay? And now we want to take the meat off the bones, okay? We don't want any bones going into our green beans. We want all tender meat. So remove the meat from the bones and then break it up into small pieces. You can just watch what I'm doing here to kind of get how I'm literally just taking my hands and breaking the meat into small pieces after I've taken it off the bones. I use a 2-pound bag of green beans. As you can see here, I'm cutting the ends off and then cutting them into, I would say about 2-inch, maybe 2-inch pieces. This is just a little hack. I love using my kitchen scissors to cut the green beans instead of actually using like a knife. And now that I'm done cutting them up, I'm gonna put a little baking soda on them and rinse them with cold water 2 times. This is how I clean my veggies. Just a little baking soda and cold water. You're gonna drain them and then set them aside. Now you wanna go ahead and cut up a small to medium sized bell pepper. You can use less if you want or more, totally up to you. And then you want to cut up a red onion. Now, I only use half of this red onion, but again, use more or less. It's in your hands. You're also gonna cut up 2 red potatoes. Here are our cut up veggies. Add some extra virgin olive oil to a large deep pot. Minced garlic. And the red onion and red bell pepper. We're gonna saute this until everything is tender. Add your green beans to the pot. Add your smoked turkey to the pot. And pour in the turkey broth. And add your potatoes. Give everything a really good stir. All right, now let's season this up. Add adobo all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, and a little vinegar. Give this a good stir. You want to cook this for an hour and you want to put a lid over it. Stop to stir it, I would say about every 10 to 15 minutes. And now we are ready to plate this. As I'm putting this on the serving plate, y'all, look at how meaty this is. It just looks delicious. Now this is what top tier Southern green beans should look like. I had to pull out my favorite hot sauce. I love Crystal hot sauce, y'all. It just goes perfect on everything. This is the perfect holiday dish or Sunday dinner dish. Either way, it's delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.